Here I am going to demo what is inner function or nested function in Python. Okay, in Python we can define a function inside another function. That is, I am creating a function. Inside this particular function I am creating another function. So this is called as inner function or nested function in Python. Okay, an inner function can access variable defined in outer function. That means, consider that outer function is getting variable a, b, okay, and a couple of variable here, x equal to 10, y equal to 20. So this particular inner function can access those values. Maybe here I am creating a function called calc. Okay, here I am passing x comma y and operator. So inner function can access this x and y and op variable. Here I am creating a function called add. Okay, return x plus y def diff another inner function that return x minus y. Okay, so here if op equal to plus add, L if op equal to minus diff. So here we have a calc function, that is a outer function. Inside that we can create multiple functions. Okay, so in Python we can create a function inside another function, and this particular function can access, inner function can access outer functions variables. Okay, now I am calling this particular outer function. Okay, print, I am calling outer function with calc. I am calling this particular outer function with value for x, y and operator plus, okay, with minus operator. Let's see the output. So here the calc function called this particular diff function, and we haven't returned the result, right? So we need to provide return. Okay, return. So the computed result has to be returned, right? Now run this. Now we got the value, right? So here we have a calc function call its internal function based on its internal logic. Okay, so why do we need inner function or nested function? Okay, that is for better encapsulation. If you think that certain functions or variables, maybe some variables here, maybe some value, okay, a equal to 10. Okay, so if you think that certain variables or functions that should not be visible from outside, only required as part of a particular computation logic, and that should not be misused from outside, we can use an inner function or nested function. Okay, that provide a better encapsulation for our code. Okay, I hope you got some idea what is nested function. There is another concept is called as closure. We will be discussing about that in upcoming sessions. Okay, for closure also we have to use a nested function, a function that return another function. Okay, we will discuss that in another session. Okay, I hope you got some idea about how to create inner function in Python. Thanks for watching this.